Welcome back, friends. Friends, from this chapter, I shall begin to explain the destiny changing tips and tricks. So, first is best times to make a life. What is the best time to make a life better? First is childhood. Childhood is the best time for learning anything. But unfortunately, most of the children pass this precious time in just playing games due to the negligence of their parents. So it basically depends on parents to educate the children in building up a successful nation or in making their children's future bright. Second one is youngerhood. Young men have lot of energy to do anything, but they are dominated by emotions and feelings. So the success ratio depends on how much a young man can control emotions and feelings and use mind to gain success. If a man has a poor but he does not indulge himself or herself, if she is a woman, in his or her emotions and feelings, and he keeps himself balanced and concentrate on his life, use his mind in spite of following his emotions, then he has the more chances to succeed in his life than others. Then the third one, last one, is old age. So I would like to explain this thing very clearly that for young men, it is very essential that they control their emotions and feelings if they want to be successful in their life. Now, the third one is old age. Old people have lots of experience and knowledge, but don't have energy to do anything. It means they can play their role only in the training of next generation by transferring their knowledge and wisdom to stop any disaster. So now I go to next page, our great ideas. Let's talk on some of the great ideas. So through this chart, you can make your daily routine life work, or you can make your objective. The first one is creative. You should be creative, and a man makes a creative due to the motivation. If you have motivation, you will struggle till death. Therefore, try to keep your dreams alive. And if you are creative, then obviously your dreams also will be creative. So keep your motivation alive, keep your dreams alive. Then there will be more chances for you to get success in your life. If you lose your heart, then you lose your struggle, and obviously chances will be decreased. Best analysis always lead you to success. And the success meaning success is not a lost destination. It always sets the new goals in life. So this journey remains continue. You also keep this thing in your mind. It is very important thing that success is not the lost journey. It always sets the new goal for you. When you take your objective, then you will have the new objective to take. It's not the end of world. Like the failure is not the end of world. So I go to next page. It is the mind map. I try to explain something through mind map. And these are the red signs, and this is the other tree. The first important thing I think in this chart is the health. If your health is weak like red, you cannot succeed in your life, because health plays a very important role. So try to keep you healthy. And the motivation, you should have a motivation in right in the same direction. There is a solution. If you have a motivation, then you will find the solutions of your problem. If you have a good personality, then insurance. Insurance means insure. You can ensure your safety, your success. And good ideas is right in front of education. If you educate yourself, education does not mean that you take the education from any school, college or university. We see a lots of people who even don't go to school, but they are very successful in their lives because they meet with people, they learn lessons from their mistakes, and they take the knowledges, they observe the knowledges from people. So good ideas are equal to education, are due to education. And then travel sometimes up like this developing countries like Pakistan, India, and we say Asia except Japan and Russia. The remaining most of the countries are developing countries. If a person travels and he goes to developed countries like Europe and America through travel, so obviously he will have more bright future than living in these countries. And vision is vision, so your vision also should be clear. And home also plays a very crucial role. If you have a home to sit calm, if you find calmness and coolness and in your home, then you can in the very next day you can start your struggle once again. But if you don't feel comfortable in your home, then obviously you cannot do as much struggle as those people are doing who have a comfortable home to live. Comfortable means there is a full calmness and the people, like-minded people are living with you in your home, because you will not find any tension in your home. When you are in your office, when you are on your business, then obviously you will find a lot of tension from opposite person, but at minimum level you will have the same like-minded people in your home. So now I go to next page. Reasons behind success and failure. There are always reasons behind success and failure. But friend, I shall come back in next video to explain this presentation.